Welcome back to the science lesson. Today we will discuss the chapter Weather and Seasons. The chapter Weather and Seasons. Please take out your book and pencils. Page number 88. Let us start. Weather. Weather is a combination of four factors: temperature, wind, precipitation, sunlight, and clouds. Changes in these factors lead to changes in weather. Weather is an important part of our lives on Earth. People often look outside to see what the weather is before they begin their day. Weather forecasters also tell us what the weather would be like in a particular day. Observing weather can give us clues that help us dress for the day, plan activities, or prepare for a storm. Everybody, including children, experience weather conditions like playing in the snow, chasing leaves in the wind, jumping in rain puddles, or bundling up against the cold. We have to know that weather is not the same on all days. It changes from day to day. It may be sunny, cold, windy, cloudy, or rainy. The change in weather is caused by the sun, wind, clouds, and rain. Children, do you know what season means? When one type of weather stays for many days or months, we call it season. There are 5 different seasons in a year. Those are summer, monsoon, and winter, which are the three main seasons. The other two in between are named spring and autumn. Now, let us discuss differences between weather and season. Weather means the daily temperature, precipitation, winds, and the amount of the sunshine that hits the earth's surface. The term season is used to describe general weather conditions of a specific region, which takes an average period of 3 months. The daily changes in the weather of a specific region are usually influenced by the nature of that place. In addition, the rotation of the earth on its axis and the revolution of the earth around the sun has significant impacts on the prevailing weather conditions of a place. On the other hand, seasons are specifically caused by the revolution of the earth around its orbit. Now we will discuss about summer. In the summer, the sun shines very brightly and it is very hot. Since we feel hot, we sweat a lot and our dress gets wet and uncomfortable. In some places, even hot winds called loo blow and it is difficult to stay outside during that time. In this weather, we always like to have cold drinks, ice creams and juices. I'm sure, children, that you have ice creams during this weather very much. It is also good to wear cotton clothes to keep us comfortable. We always use fans and some of us use coolers and air conditioners to keep us cool. Many people visit hill stations in summer to enjoy cool weather for some days. Children, could you recall a hill station that you visited with your parents in summer? It must have been a very enjoyable trip. Now, we will discuss monsoon. Monsoon is a season when most of the time it rains. Some people like rains, of course, while others do not. Children, I believe you must have had experience of having enjoyed during the rains. On a rainy day, everything is wet and slippery. The sky remains cloudy almost all the time and cool winds blow. Also, we hear thunder and lightning when the weather is really bad. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky because of sun shining on water droplets and it is beautiful to look at. Children, have you seen a rainbow in the sky? Can you remember how many colors and what type of colors the rainbow has? When we need to go out of the house during the rainy days, we often use an umbrella or wear a raincoat. I'm sure, children, that at times you used raincoats while you went to school on rainy days. It must have been a different experience. Children often love to play in the rain too. Now we will discuss about winter. Children, I believe one of your favorite seasons is the winter season when the weather turns cold. To protect us from cold, we use blankets and quilts which keep us warm and comfortable. Also, people wear woolen clothes and use heaters or light fire to protect themselves from the cold. Children, can you tell me what kind of food you like to eat during the cold season? Most people in the cold season like to have hot drinks and hot food. People like to sit in the sun and enjoy oranges and ground nuts. Some hilly areas even have snowfall. It is a nice experience when people see snow falling during winter. People like to do all sorts of snow sports in hilly areas during this time. Next, autumn. Autumn season of the year between summer and winter, during which temperatures gradually decrease. In autumn, the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. It is dry and windy. Dry leaves fall off from trees. Animals gather food in autumn in preparation for the coming winter, and those with fur often grow thicker coats. Many birds migrate toward the hotter climate areas to escape the falling temperatures. Now we will discuss spring. The weather in this season is pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It is the season of flowers and butterflies. Spring is called Basanta in Bengali and Basant in Hindi. Spring is the season of new beginning. Fresh buds bloom, animals awaken, and the earth seems to come to life again. Farmers and gardeners plant their seeds and temperatures slowly rise. The timing of these changes varies depending upon location. Cycle of seasons in India. Children, you must know that the cycle of seasons includes different months according to the different seasons. Winter months are December, January and early February. Late February and March are spring months. Summertime includes April, May and June. Monsoon months are July, August and September, and autumn months are October and November. Now, my dear students, please take out your pencils and underline the spellings in your textbook. Weather, weather, changes, changes, sunny, sunny, windy, windy, cloudy, cloudy, rainy, rainy, stays, stays, months, months, season, season, summer, summer, monsoon, monsoon, winter, winter, country, country, spring, spring, autumn, autumn, brightly, brightly, thirsty, thirsty, sweat, sweat, loo, loo, sunshines, sunshines, hill stations, hill stations, thunder, thunder, lightning, lightning, umbrella, umbrella, raincoat, raincoat, rainbow, rainbow, blankets, blankets, quilts, quilts, heaters, heaters, ground nuts, ground nuts, snowfall, snowfall, pleasant, pleasant, basant, basant. Now we will revise the chapter through the following points. Number 1. Weather changes from day to day. Weather changes from day to day. Next, number 2. The sun, wind, rain and clouds cause changes in weather. The sun, wind, rain and clouds cause changes in weather. Next, when one type of weather stays for many days or months, we call it a season. When one type of weather stays for many days or months, we call it a season. Next, the three main seasons in India are summer, winter and monsoon. Spring and autumn come in between these seasons. The three main seasons in India are summer, winter, and monsoon. Spring and autumn come in between these seasons. Up to here for today. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye and thank you, girls.